Question 13, solve the following linear equation. So, the first step of solving any equation is deal with any fractions that there are, get rid of any fractions. So we have this over 4 and over 5. I want to multiply everything by something that will get rid of those. So 4 and 5 both go into 20. So I want to multiply everything by 20. What I like to do first is just write out that I am going to be multiplying everything by 20. So that's, I multiply this by 20, I multiply that by 20, and the 2 on the other side I'm going to multiply by 20 as well. I could just write 40 right now, but I'm just going to show that. Why I do this is because of the fact that not only can you then simplify the fractions here to give you a number, but it also takes care of any tricky questions involving negatives there, for example, and it reminds you that when you do simplify these fractions, so 20 over 5 being 4, you then move on to the next step, which is you're going to be breaking out the brackets. Now, as it stands, the way I've wrote that would be fine, but if you prefer to just write it out a bit neater, so kind of like this is you just having simplified the fractions, got rid of them, if you will, it takes you to this. Then when we break out the brackets, 5 times both of these gives us that, 4 times both of these gives us this. Of course, if this was a negative, you would have, but we've sort of protected ourselves against common mistakes that happen with these types of questions. And on the other side is 40. I tidy up the letters on the left. 10x plus 4x is 14x. Minus 5 take away 4 is minus 9. And now I've just got to get x by itself. So we add 9 to both sides to give us 14x is 49. I forgot to write that in. So we add 9 to both sides. And then we're going to divide both sides by 14. So x will be 49 over 14, which simplifies to being 3.5. Done.